Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have y and first derivative of y. So we can use about integrating factor. So we need to find the mu s equals to e to the power of the integration. We can see that negative number 3 next to y. This is for integrating factor, and I will put this one goal here. And we have negative 3s. That means we need to multiply both sides by this one. So negative 2s, negative 3s, we can put like this. And this one, we have negative 5s. So we need to put the integration for the both sides. So in this situation, we can use about the product rule of derivative. So we have first derivative of y equals to first derivative of 8 multiplied by b plus first derivative of b multiplied by 8. So we have first derivative of 8 multiplied by b. This one we have first derivative of b multiplied by 8. So the integration of this one, we have y equals to ab. So the integration of that one, that is about y e to the power of negative 3s. This one, that is about e to the power of negative 5s over negative number 5. And I will put about c. This is the end. Thank you for watching.